Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards turning your passion into a profitable business by monetizing your YouTube channel. But now what? Monetizing your YouTube channel doesn't guarantee that you'll be successful or make money. You still need to create content that resonates with your audience and grows your channel. In this blog post, we'll cover the important steps you need to take after you get monetized on YouTube, so you can make the most of this exciting opportunity. Once you've been accepted into YouTube's partner program and your videos are monetized, the next step is to start making money from your videos. Here's a quick overview of the basics of how it works. When viewers watch your monetized videos, ads may appear in or around your videos. You will earn a portion of the money that YouTube receives for those ads. The exact amount of money you make depends on a variety of factors, such as the type of ad and how much time viewers spend watching your video. You can also make money on YouTube through product placement and sponsored videos. This means featuring products in your videos or creating videos specifically for a brand or company. This requires some additional work, but can be a great way to monetize your channel if you have an audience with an interest in specific products. Finally, you can make money on YouTube by leveraging your channel as a platform for other revenue streams, such as merchandise sales and affiliate links. YouTube's algorithms are constantly evolving, making it important for content creators to stay up to date with the latest changes and guidelines. Here are some tips to increase your chances of being accepted by the YouTube algorithm. 1. Create quality content. Quality content is key and should be focused on providing an enjoyable experience for the viewer. The more engaging your videos are, the more likely they will be accepted by YouTube's algorithm. 2. Make sure your videos are well optimized. Make sure you use keywords that relate to your video content and optimize the titles, descriptions, and tags for maximum visibility. 3. Promote your videos. Promoting your videos on social media or through other channels can help get more views, which in turn can help you get accepted by YouTube's algorithm. 4. Use high-quality thumbnails. Make sure you use high-quality thumbnails that clearly show what your video is about and make sure they are eye-catching enough to get noticed. 1. Know your audience. Before you start creating content, make sure to know who your target audience is and what they are looking for. 2. Quality over quantity. It's important to create videos that are of good quality. Make sure you take the time to plan out your videos and ensure that the production value is high. 3. Promote on other platforms. Take advantage of other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to get the word out about your videos. This will help you to reach a wider audience and increase your chances of generating more revenue. 4. Engage with your audience. Encourage people to comment, ask questions, and share their opinions. This will help you build a strong relationship with your viewers and keep them coming back for more. 5. Focus on SEO. SEO is essential for getting your videos seen by more people. Do keyword research to find out what people are searching for, and use those keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Promoting your YouTube channel is one of the most important steps in making money from YouTube. Effective promotion is key to increasing your views and earning potential. Here are some tips for promoting your channel. 1. Utilize social media platforms. Having a presence on social media can help you reach a wider audience, which can lead to increased views and more potential subscribers. When posting content related to your YouTube channel, be sure to include links so people can find it easily. 2. Reach out to influencers. Influencers have large followings, so getting them to feature or talk about your content could give you a huge boost in viewership. 3. Create strategic collaborations. Collaborations are a great way to get exposure from another channel's audience. 4. Utilize YouTube ads. YouTube ads can help get your videos seen by potential viewers who don't already follow your channel. Do some research to figure out which option makes the most sense for your budget and goals. 1. Affiliate marketing. You can make money by promoting products or services through affiliate links in your videos and descriptions. 2. Sponsorships. Many YouTubers are able to secure sponsorships with brands who are looking to promote their products or services. 3. Merchandise. There are several different companies you can use to create and sell branded apparel, accessories, and other items. 4. Paid online courses. You can create video lessons that teach viewers about a particular topic or skill, and then offer them for sale. 5. Live streaming. Through live streaming, viewers can donate or subscribe to your channel, which can help you generate additional income. 6. Consulting. If you have experience in a particular field, you may be able to provide consulting services to other businesses or individuals. By taking advantage of multiple sources of income, you can maximize the potential of your channel and ensure you're making the most money possible from your YouTube efforts.